Welcome back to Royal Wood Flooring. Here we are on another beautiful Tuesday, September 15, 2020. And we are in Chandler on this beautiful home that we're doing a wood floor demolition. Contractor tried to demo it himself, and after 3 days of taking out about 10-15 square feet, decided to give us a call. And as you can see, doing total remodeling. Oh, look at that. That is nice. And those beams, they're not real. So all these walls will be coming down. And this was probably an expensive product when they did it. It's an engineered floor. And to have that design done, it's probably a lot of money. And as you can see, it's 3 different sizes. 1, 2, 3. Right? 3-inch, 5-inch, 8-inch. So it's probably an expensive product at one time. Unfortunately, because it's engineered, it cannot be sanded and refinished. So we do the cuts to break the resistance in it. That's why we're doing the cuts here.